Struggling to add employees in Zoho Books? Master the 9-click process to invite and assign roles to staff in under 2 minutes. We'll start by opening Settings, go to Users, invite your employee with name and email, choose the staff role, and save. First, go ahead and open Zoho Books. You'll be taken to the main dashboard. Then, click on the Setting icon. It's usually at the top right corner. Click on Users. Once there, click on the Invite User button to start adding someone. Type in the name of your employee exactly as you'd like it to appear. Then, type their email address. This is where the invitation will be sent. Now, click on the role drop-down and select the appropriate role for them. Click Staff to designate. Finally, click Save to send the invitation. That's it. You've successfully added an employee in Zoho Books. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.